In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hanging indents in Google Docs. A hanging indent is a simple but powerful formatting style where the first line of a paragraph stays aligned to the left and every line after that is indented. You'll most often see it in bibliographies, works cited pages for MLA, and reference lists in APA because it makes it easier to scan the first word, usually the author's name, down the left side. Let's start by selecting your text. Click and drag to highlight the paragraph or paragraphs you want to format. This might be your entire list of sources at the end of a paper. If you're working on a works cited or references page, make sure each source is its own paragraph separated by a single press of the Enter key, so the indent applies cleanly to each entry. Next, we'll open the indentation settings, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, choose Align and Indent, and then click Indentation Options. This opens a small settings window that controls how your paragraphs are indented. Now, apply the hanging indent. In the pop-up window, look for the section labeled Special Indent. Click the drop-down and select Hanging. To the right, you'll see a box where you can set the size. The most common setting is 0.5 inches, which is standard for MLA and APA style. Once that's set, click Apply. Instantly, your highlighted paragraphs will update so that the first line is flush with the left margin, and any additional lines are indented by 1/2 inch. That's the core process, and it works the same whether you're formatting a single paragraph or a long list of citations. If something doesn't look right, confirm that you highlighted exactly what you intended and simply undo and try again if needed. A quick reminder on when to use hanging indents. They're ideal for bibliographies, MLA works cited pages, and APA reference lists. They keep the left edge tidy, make author names easy to scan, and help your document meet academic standards. A few pro tips before we wrap up. Keep your entries alphabetized by the first word, typically the author's last name. Make sure your page title, like works cited or references, is centered at the top. And double check your spacing. Academic documents often use double spacing throughout, including your list of sources. Consistency across your entire document will make your work look clean and professional. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.